Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to insert a photo to your Microsoft Excel workbook. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, tap on a relevant column to which you would like to insert a picture. Then you should tap on this A and pencil icon at the top of the screen and click on this button, which is normally set to home.